Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the drive gear on your ice maker. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to the refrigerator. So simply pull it forward enough that you can unplug it, or locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuse. Once we've done that, we'll open up the freezer and remove the ice dispenser bin. So simply lift up in the front, pull it completely out of the freezer and set it aside. Next, we're going to reach in and lift up on the ice maker shutoff arm and put it in the off position. And next, we'll pop that cover off of the ice maker. So just grasp that cover, rock it back and forth. And lift it off. And next, we'll take that retaining screw out. And if the old gear is still in one piece, you'll need to pry it off of that ejector arm shaft. So take a small flat blade screwdriver, just go in under the edge. Pry that off. We'll line up the new gear. Note there is a flat side for the D shaft. There are also a couple of little spring tabs on the back, so I want those facing the housing. Press it firmly onto that shaft. Reinstall that retaining screw. Reinstall the cover. Drop that shutoff arm into the on position, and then we'll put the ice bin back in. Now just make sure when we put the ice bin back in that the auger drive lines up with the drive block at the back. And then it should lock in place. Close the refrigerator up. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.